Hey, what's up? So, I committed a crime, a, a woodworking crime, I call it. I think we all do it, We like go to Home Depot and buy some wood because we want something in a rush, and we come home, we chop it up, and we put it together, and then it all goes to hell in like a couple of days because wood's not stable and it's not dry and so on. So this is a series in my woodworking crime and the punishment that I have to face. I built this bench as another feed table, and went to Home Depot and bought some 2 by 12 by 12 and some 8 2 by 4s, and I put the stop together, and then that kind of happened. So, we all do it. We want something quick, and we don't let wood settle or prep it properly. And here we are. So I was gonna destroy it, but then I thought that because we keep committing a crime, there should be a punishment for it. So the punishment is this will have to be flattened out. I don't know how, but this will become a corner desk in my basement for another video that will be coming up eventually when I figure out how to get this thing flat as a punishment. This bottom part is all out of square and has flare out in many places, like this, for example. You can see it's out this way, so I will straighten all that out with a hand plane as a punishment, and I have to make this work. So my idea so far is, which I have most of the pieces here, is I'm gonna make a top out of MDF, but I want to leave a hole in the middle, and I want to trim it with I got this beautiful pieces of mahogany. These are actually over 16 inches wide by just over 2 inches thick, and the piece was actually one piece. It was a 12-footer, and I picked it up for $100, and I'm very happy about it. But I'm gonna use that to make trim all the way around on the inside, and then places to put tools, like a removable tray. And that's what I'm up to. I'm gonna wood glue 3 layers, and I'm gonna lock them so it all becomes one piece. I don't care for having other than the outfit table. I care about this half being my bench, so I want to have a vise in this end. I wanted the trays because I want to be able to put clamps. If I'm clamping something, I can remove the trays and put clamps in each side. And I'm making it slightly lower than my table, so it's still an outfit table. And since we gotta get serious, and start working with some hardwood, I might try some dovetails and make some drawers for down here. And so the challenge is to make this look pretty. That should be my sentence. So yeah, this is gonna be probably like 2 or 3 videos. So if you want to follow up how I pay my dues, subscribe or follow me, but you don't have to. We're not digital beggars here, so if you want to join me, cool. If not, I'm glad you were here anyways. So that's it.